Hello everyone, I'm delighted to be able to present in the next minute this clinical presentation related to implant reconstruction in the dentulous patients. First of all, I would like to introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. I'm Dr. Sánchez, prosthodontist and implant surgeon, fellow and communications officer from ITI, Mexico. And this is my interdisciplinary teamwork, and together we dedicate our clinical practice oriented to the attention of the dentulous population. But let me just start this lecture by understanding more about the dentulism. Of course, we can define dentulism as having no teeth. However, this phenomena brings several and complex consequences, and perhaps the best definition is that from the World Health Organization, who refer to dentulism as a physical impairment because the loss of several organs of the body. And as a consequence, these populations are also disabled because they have difficulty to perform two essential activities in life, eating and speaking. But if we take a look at the World Health Organization definition of health, it's about not only an absence of disease or infirmity, otherwise a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. And therefore, dentulism has a real and significant impact on general health at different levels. And in the other hand, as clinicians, we need to be aware of the impact of this condition in the dentulous population, since dentulous people represent millions across the globe. In addition to this, there is a direct correlation between dentulism and aging. This means that the older the population is, the bigger the percentage of dentulous patients. Moreover, the advances in all fields of medicine and healthcare mean that people live longer now.